Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world beneath our feet soil. Yes, that rich, dark, crumbly stuff that supports all life on Earth. But what makes soil health so vital? Let's unlock the secrets, shall we? Firstly, soil is a living ecosystem. It's teeming with microorganisms, insects, and fungi. These tiny creatures break down organic matter, releasing nutrients that plants need to grow. Imagine soil as nature's pantry, stocked with all the essentials for plant life. Healthy soil acts like a sponge. It absorbs rainwater, reducing runoff and preventing erosion. This not only conserves water, but also filters it, ensuring cleaner water sources for us. Isn't that amazing? Now, let's talk about carbon. Healthy soil captures carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, storing it underground. This process, known as carbon sequestration, helps mitigate climate change. In fact, soil holds more carbon than the atmosphere and all plant life combined. But here's the kicker. Human activities like deforestation, overgrazing, and excessive use of chemicals are degrading soil health. This leads to loss of fertility, increased flooding, and more greenhouse gases. It's a vicious cycle, but one we can break. So what can we do? Simple practices like composting, planting cover crops, and reducing tillage can rejuvenate soil health. Supporting sustainable farming practices and advocating for policies that protect our soil are also crucial steps. Remember, healthy soil means healthy food, clean water, and a stable climate. It's the foundation of life on Earth. So, next time you dig in your garden or walk through a park, give a little nod to the soil beneath your feet. It's doing a lot more than you think. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly insights. Let's nurture our planet together. See you next time.